Hi, I'm your teacher and you're watching Homey Baby TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Once upon a time, in a colorful jungle, lived a little lion named Leo. Leo was not just any lion, he had the brightest yellow fur and a tiny blue crown on his head. But there was one thing Leo loved more than anything else: going on adventures with his friends.
The Adventure of Leo the Little Lion.
One sunny day, Leo decided to go on a treasure hunt. He called out to his friends, Greta the Green Parrot, Benny the Blue Elephant, and Wally the White Rabbit. They all gathered around Leo, curious about what the treasure could be.
Are you ready for an adventure?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes! Leo held up a map he found under a big, orange tree.
We need to follow this map. First stop, the Rainbow River. Look, friends, it's a map to find treasure. Let's follow it to the Rainbow River first. Rainbow River.
The friends marched together, passing by colorful flowers and big, shady trees. Soon,
Look at that beautiful flower. This jungle is so colorful.
they arrived at the Rainbow River, which sparkled with shades of green, blue, yellow, white, and orange.
We have to jump over the colors in the river to get to the other side.
One by one, they leaped across, splashing in the colors. Leo splashed in the yellow, Greta splashed in the green, Benny in the blue, and Wally in the white.
What color will Wally splash in?
Finally, they reached the other side and saw a big,
We found it. Treasure chest.
inside, there were sparkling gems and candies of all colors. Leo and his friends shared the candies and danced happily around the treasure. They had completed their adventure together.
The best treasure is the fun we have with friends. Thanks for coming on this adventure with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun.